Gourmet Griddle Use and Care. Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information. The flat bottom of the Gourmet Griddle makes it suitable for gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops. Note: not for use on induction cooktops. Before using your new griddle, wash it in hot soapy water, rinse, and dry. Heavyweight aluminum cooks more evenly and efficiently at lower temperatures. Burner temperatures can exceed 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. For cooking, use low to medium heat settings only. If the burners are of different sizes, adjust the burners to provide equal heat over the entire cooking surface. Using less heat on the large diameter burner and more on the smaller diameter burner will equalize the total heat being applied to the griddle. To make certain before you start cooking that the surface is at the proper temperature, flick some water onto the cooking surface. When the water droplets bounce or sizzle, the surface is ready to use. To improve cleanability, we recommend using butter or cooking oil as a surface preparation before cooking food that typically has little or no fat content. All models have a recessed channel around the perimeter which drains away excess fat and oils. The integrated handles at opposite corners provide sure handling. Be sure to use oven mitts when handling a hot griddle. Always turn off heat before moving the griddle to drain fat or oil, and always drain the griddle away from the range or cooktop. Be sure to wipe any fat or oil from the sides or bottom before returning the unit to the heat source. Never use metal utensils, wire brushes, abrasive cleaners, or metal tools on the cooking surface. Nylon or wooden utensils should be the only type used. Clean the unit only after it has cooled down completely. After each use, thoroughly wash in hot, soapy water, rinse, and dry. If the surface is not cleaned thoroughly after each use, food residue will build up, causing food to stick to the surface. Never clean or wash in a dishwasher. Dishwashing detergents are harsh and will damage the surface.